What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. So today, guys, I'm going to talk about the 30-day challenge, the simplest trading strategy that I know that I've been using for years. It is the opening range breakout. So I'm going to walk you through an example today, and I'm going to also talk about some giveaways that are coming up. So strap in your seatbelts, and hopefully this can add a lot of value to you. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right, hit me with a 10 if you can hear me loud and clear. So what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to start off with a trade that we took today in the live screen share. It was the opening range breakout. Okay. The opening range breakout is probably the simplest way to get involved in a trade. And it also is the quickest way because you can hit targets within 20, 30 minutes or less. Okay. And I'm going to walk you through this with the setup that we took today. And I'm going to explain to you the pros and cons of the opening range breakout. Okay. So we're going to start off here. This is the 930 candle, and I'm going to hit the replay. Okay. So I also have some study notes, tradingwars.com/resources. If you guys want to learn more about this and follow along, you can download the notes. I'll just paste them right here. You guys can download a copy. So this also has some videos on the strategy. But essentially what we're doing here is we're waiting for the first 15-minute candle of the day to close. Okay. So I love using the first 15-minute candle of the day because the 15-minute range usually allows enough time for whatever chop or whatever traps need to come out in the market. If you go a little bit more aggressive with like the 3 or the 5-minute chart, it's more prone to being a little bit more of a fake out. Okay. And once we have that first 15-minute opening range, what we're doing here, guys, we're trading pure price action. So we're going to take the horizontal line tool. We're going to mark the high and we're going to mark the low. Okay. And I'm just going to hop into the Discord and I'll show you guys this today. So here was today, this was me at 10:11. So we will be trying the 15-minute orb today, my friends. So we ended up getting filled at 10:17 and we had our targets all hit. So I'll walk you through that. Okay. So what we do once we have the high and the low established, we're looking to see if it's going to break the high, we're going to go long. And if it breaks the low, we're going to go short. Okay. And then you can see here, the next candle was an inside bar. So it did not break any of these triggers. So we're still waiting. And then the next candle again did not break it. And then finally, bang, 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 bang. Okay. So right off of there, guys, you can see we had another, and then we had this pullback. But right off of this is, so from the time of entry, this is about 30 minutes to hit targets. Okay. And this opening range breakout is intended to be a scalping strategy. Okay. So you want to get in and out as quick as you can. So the first question you're going to ask is, Rich, where do I take targets? So this is what I do. I take the Fibonacci on the low to the high of the candle like this. And then I use these Fibonacci targets to take my profits. As we are moving up and taking profits, I am moving my stop loss to wherever I can. So an example on this candle right here, this big bullish green candle, this is the perfect candle to move your stop loss to break even. So the trade is risk free. You have multiple targets up there. And then you can see later on in the day, we did come back in. But the whole point of this trade is to get a quick in and out in the market and make some profits. Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. So I'm going to walk over here now to the futures. And I'm going to show you how you can do this using futures on a point-based system. Okay. So here is the 930 candle on futures. Here is the high. So right here is the high. So this high right here, guys, is 50, 74, 75 right here. And then let's go ahead and use our Fibonacci. Okay. So I like to go for the 272, 50, 618, 786, all the way up to the 100%. So on this here, guys, so going from about, let's say 50, 75 to 50, 85. So right around here, that's 10 points. On one contract of futures, 10 points is $500 within about 20 minutes. Okay. So hit me with a 6 if that makes sense, my friends. So that's what we do with the opening range breakout is wait for the first 15-minute bar. I love to use this with futures because I don't have to worry about decay. So if we do go sideways a little bit, it doesn't really bother me because futures is a point-based system. And I just wanted to mention here, guys, so we did do this live in the screen share today. So for those of you that are at work and are not able to actually listen in the screen share and watch the screen, I'm still putting in the text, but we actually went through this step by step. and we called out, guys, we're getting long at this point, and we're moving stops up, etc. And that's the best way to learn, guys. If you really want to kill your learning curve, then you want to go ahead and check out that screen share as well as the stream recordings. So this is the recording from today. So if you want to go back and watch it, it's already posted in the Discord, so you can see exactly how we executed this 15-minute opening range breakout strategy. All right, my friends. So what I want to talk about now is the pros and cons, when to use it, and I'm also going to talk about the Fibonacci. But before we do that, guys, please consider hitting the subscribe and like button. I'm doing a $500 cash giveaway to a subscriber, so please make sure you're subscribed, and please make sure you hit the like, and then you'll have a chance to win that giveaway. Okay, so the pros and cons, like I said, the pros, it's quick in and out. All right. It's not meant to be something where you get married to the trade. It's for someone that wants to come quickly and extract profits from the market. The main con with this strategy is that it can't be used every single day. I don't believe the opening range breakout is a strategy to use every single day. It's a good strategy to use when the market is volatile. If we look at futures right now, this is the hourly chart right here, guys. And you can see that we are having this huge sell-off on the news of, Netflix earnings plus the war news. And this type of environment where we have like a 50-point drop overnight makes the markets very volatile during the day. Okay. So these are the best times where you want to be using a 50-minute opening range breakout, not when the market is consolidating, going sideways, but you want to use it when you have the news catalyst, when you have different things going on. I love to always use opening range breakouts on Friday. So tomorrow is Friday, and that is going to be one of our go-to plays tomorrow, looking at the opening range breakout. So you need to know when to use it. You want volatility. Okay. The next thing that I want to talk about is the power of the Fibonacci. So I want you guys to start off with this. This is your 30-day challenge. I want you to trade the orbs that you can, and just track it down on a schedule and see how you do. This is the easiest way to get involved in trading. This is how I started trading. I didn't really know anything about fibs. I didn't know anything really much about candlesticks, but I understood putting the high and the low of the first 15 minutes and taking the break of that. And I've made it simpler over the years because I use the Fibonacci for targets, and then aggressively moving your trailing stop loss when you can. All right. Hit me with a 17 if that all makes sense. So that's the key that I want to tell you guys, is the easiest way to get started in the market is with an opening range breakout. You can be done within an hour, and you can build the repetition and the skill that you need until you want to develop into more strategies. Okay. So one of those strategies are the Fibonacci. All right. So what I want to show you here, guys. So I'm going to stay here on the hourly chart right here. So let's go back through today. So this right here is the 9 a.m. candle. So this is the hourly chart. This is the 9 a.m. This is 10 a.m. and this is 11 a.m. Okay. So what I'm going to show you right now is, yes, so you guys are seeing all of this selling, right? And it is a lot of selling. However, at 10 a.m., guys, somebody already knew that this is what they wanted to do today, long before any of this news and all of this stuff you guys hear about. There's always somebody that knows what's going on, or they're playing the side they think is favorable. And a lot of times there's bigger institutions taking those gambles. So if we come off of this high, this was the last major high on Wednesday at 9 a.m. If I take it and I come from high to low, there's the 618 rejection. We have the inverted hammer confirmation candle, and then we have gone exactly to the 100% extension. Okay, so what that is if I take an arrow here, this range, and I copy and paste it, and I move it down, it's exactly 100% of that move. So this right here, my friend, should give you chills in your body, because you have to ask yourself, why is it at exactly 100% of the move we see a little bit of buying happening? Okay. And that's because a lot of these things that are happening, in my opinion, it's all math and algorithm behind the scenes. All right. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So these type of strategies with the fibs, we also call them out in the Discord. If you come here to the Fibonacci live setups, we called this short today at 10:56, the 1 hour bigger picture Fibonacci short, filled short. So that was this one right here, my friends. Okay. So that is my combination of scalping with the opening range breakout, then looking at the bigger picture for the Fibonacci. It gives me a good balance, because I have something where I can get in and out quickly, and then I have something trying to take the bigger picture trade setups. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. The notes are on the website, tradingwars.com. So if you come here, tradingwars.com/resources, the notes are here for you to download for free, and you can go ahead and download a copy of my free journal, where you can actually track those opening range breakout trades step by step. That's it, guys. And so I really believe the market is going to start to become extremely volatile in the next few weeks, going into the next few months with all these headlines, with all of these news. So if you want to come trade with us tomorrow, we'll be live on the screen share. You can come and watch us trade. Even if you just want to learn, come hang out with us. It's a great room and a great community. Check us out, tradingwars.com. You can sign up right here for $50 a month, or if you would like, you can email me. If it's your first month and you're a brand new customer, we can do a 1 month trial for 39 bucks if you're interested in that. And we also have the apprentice program. Anyone that wants to work one-on-one with me, it's currently half off. Okay. So it's 400 bucks. You get everything you see here, one-on-one, all 4 of my books, lifetime membership to the swing room. Just email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this little lesson here. Please comment opening range breakout or ORB at the end of this video for your chance to win that $500 cash giveaway. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and leave any comments you have or questions below for me. And I hope this video adds some value. Take care, my friends.